Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start plugging up some of these. We're going to start plugging up some of these connectors, you see. We got to put this fuse box in. What does that off on mean? If I turn it off, then what, it's going to cut all the fuses off? I think so. So let's not do that. Let's turn it back on. Okay. See, I connected all the wires down there. You see them? Yeah, I connected those. Alright. And I got that other one. The one I was confused about over here. It goes around here, and you see those two ground wires down there? I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. I think you can see those two ground wires. I had to hook those up. Yeah, I had to hook those up, you see. Now we need to plug these in to this fuse box. Let's do that. Okay. Let me sit y'all up out here. Let's see. Can you see it? I think you can. It's kind of cloudy. It's kind of cloudy, but I think you can see it. Okay, look back here. We got 3 plugs. Now, let's see. We know it's not that one, too big. Now, that is the engine check wire right there, so we know that don't go in here. And then we're left with 3. We got 1, we got 2, and we got 3. Okay, so I think those are the 3. Let's see. Let's see if those are the. Let's do. Nah, that's gonna have to be last. Let's do the big one first, right here. Yeah. And there you have it. Yeah. Man, that was kind of tight. Lord. Is that it? It's in there. Then I think we hook it up like this, you see. I hope I don't have to remove this later. But I might. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is what we're looking at right there, ladies and gentlemen. You hear me? That is what we're looking at, you see? Yeah. And these are just the wires to make sure the dash has all the power it needs. Then we got to go on the other side also and plug those in. But then now we know we got all, well, I think we got all the plugs. I don't know where this one down here goes, but we will see. We will see. We will see. Where those goes. Yeah. Okay. Just a second, guys. I need to check something out. Yeah. Yeah. gotta tighten this thing, you see? We gotta tighten it. Don't wanna tighten it too much, because we really don't need to. Just plastic, and it just holds this in. Like that, you see? Like that. Oh, now you gotta plug these in. I think it's right where it's supposed to go. Yeah. 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 Oh, one more. There you have it, guys. We're getting it going. That is in there. That is in there, my friends. So now, I don't know what these are for. Probably for a cluster or something, I don't know. But we will see. And these. Better put those down through here, because I think that they belong. End up putting the dash cover back in, and that stuff will be stuck up under it. We don't want that. Yeah? We don't want that, you see? I have my 1080p camera today, guys, because the 4K unfortunately takes forever to upload. It takes forever. Forever I don't have. When I get in here, I like to see it goes fast. I don't like things taking hours to download. I don't like that. One thing about 1080p, it's pretty fast. But 720p is even faster. You know? Go with my Pepsi, you know? That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, I think this one over here, I see. Yeah, it does. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. I know this one goes here. Okay. Uh-oh. That's not looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Why did that do that? Uh-oh. Are we missing something? That's not good, ladies and gentlemen. That's not good. That's saying this controls something that this car just didn't have. You see, because this right here looks like it goes here. See? It fits in there perfectly. You'll see. So, I am not about to change the whole wire harness in this car. So this probably will be something we won't be using. You see, this is probably something we don't need. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm going to simply leave it. You see. Let's look over here some more. I hope we don't have a bunch of bad news. I hope we don't have a bunch of bad news, you see. A bunch of bad news. I hope we don't have a bunch of bad news. Because we got 3 plugs over here right now that we don't know where these things go. We don't know where they go, guys. I think everything is already plugged in this little box back here. Yeah, everything's plugged in that one already. Boy, boy, boy. Oh, Lord. We need to take... excuse me. We need to get the other wire harness and see what we're missing. We're definitely missing a few things. Ladies and gentlemen, we're missing a few things from that other wire harness, that other dash wire harness. Lord. Not good, ladies and gentlemen. Not good at all. Fortunately, we have the wire harness right here. So we can see what we're missing. Okay. What size are we talking about here? This is the one from the engine. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this the wire harness? Yeah, this is the wire harness, so we're good. Okay. Let's see. Got out of my professional voice there for a minute. Uh-oh. Okay, we already screwed these into the dash. We got those. There's no problem there. And let's see here. Look at what we're looking at here. Is this one? That one is not. It's definitely not that one. Oh boy. So we do have this one. And it's right here. It's right here. So we got this one. And this one right here. So we also have this one as well. And it's right here. You see? But we do not have the other one, ladies and gentlemen. We got these. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have those. These are the ones we are missing. I don't think we're missing these. I think these are plugged into that little box back there. You see? I think it's plugged in that little box back there. So I don't think we're missing these at all. But I really don't feel like taking this thing apart to go look at that. I will have to release that box. I don't want to do that. You see? I don't want to do that. But where are these? Where are they located? Where are they? Because they supposed to be on here somewhere. You see? They supposed to be on here somewhere. So we do not have this piece right here. So I don't think it would matter because oh Lord, if there's some kind of speaker wire or something, we're screwed. Yeah. If there's some kind of speaker wire, we are screwed. If this is some kind of speaker wire, we are screwed. I don't know. I'm not sure. Lord. I hope not. I hope not. But we do not have that one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see about where it's located on here. It's coming out of the one with the white. Both of those are white. Okay. Both of those are white and both of them are coming out the same one. Okay, let's see. Let's unhook this again. That's that one, that big yellow. So this. It's not this one. It is not this one. You see? One with the big yellow wire. One with the big yellow wire. It's not that one. So we can plug that one back in. It's this one with all the plugs. See how this is coming off of that one? This one don't have that one. Our old one don't have this. So it's kind of scary. You'll see. It's kind of scary. But we can easily make this if we got a lot of wire here, so we can definitely make this if we had to. If they go to the speakers or something, but we don't know. This might be a little rougher than I thought, guys. This might be a little rougher than I thought. I don't know where these go. I don't know. This box over here, this thing over here is kind of chewed up as well, too. It's kind of chewed up. Let's see. There's nothing. Man. Yeah, it's kind of screwed up. This is gonna be. This is not gonna be good, guys. Maybe I shouldn't try to change the radio and stuff. Maybe I should have left that alone, my guys. You know? Maybe I should have left that stuff alone. Because now we might not have everything we need. You see? We might not have everything we need, ladies and gentlemen. Oh well. When we get there, we'll see our downfalls, I guess. When we get there. Yeah, but ain't but what, 6 wires? Yeah. Ain't but 6. So I like it when it's like that. It's not a lot. It's not a lot to come up with, you see. Only thing I would need is another one of these connectors right here. The one that goes over here. The ones that supposed to fit in here and go down here somewhere. Only thing I would have to do is get that one, plug it into here, have the wires come, and run them right beside here and tape it up to this and run it back to wherever it goes. And I think I would weather for them to be speakers. Yeah, because speakers are so simple. It's so simple, you see. It'd be better if it goes to something totally different, like a sunroof or something like that. That would be perfect, because this car don't have a sunroof, you see. So that would be perfect. Something like that. Or something for the heat for the wind back window or something. That would be perfect too. All these cars got heat for the back window, so you know that's not that. So guys, I gotta think on this. I really do. I gotta think on this, because this is a little weird. I gotta find out where these are at. You see, I gotta find out where these go. Maybe, you know what? Do you know what? These might actually plug into something on the dash panel itself. You see, something that's not even plugged into the body of the car. Something that just plugs into the dash panel itself. Oh. You see? It's probably what it is. Let's see. Yeah, see that? See, those are speakers right there, so I don't think it's that. Excuse me. But it might. Let's see. What is now? It's got four little pins in there. Let's see. 4 pins in there. Well, we know it ain't this. So that ain't that. Let's see. So how in the world? Wait a minute. So what plugs into those speaker wires then? It ain't this. Yeah, it's definitely not that. What are we missing here, guys? Something is definitely wrong. I don't know what it is. Because that's only 2. That's a totally different looking type of wire in the first place. Oh Lord. This is the wire harness, so that should work, you see? What? I'm getting confused here, guys. I'm getting very confused. I'm getting confused because I definitely think that some of the wires goes over here onto this thing. I do, but the speaker wires themselves, 4 connectors, and 4 connectors. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it for today. I'm still gotta figure this out, but I'm gonna call it for today, guys. and then I will get back with you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard, you see. I gotta get another picture of this thing because okay. I think that's going to be the picture, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. The yard. Peace.